پاکستان سے ملائیشیا میں برآمد کے لیے 20 کروڑ ڈالر مالیت کا گوشت برآمد کرنے کا کوٹہ دیا جائے گا۔ ہم عالمی قیمتوں اور معیار کا مقابلہ کریں گے اور شپمنٹ کے حوالے سے ہم اپنی ذمہ داریوں کو پورا کریں گے۔ وزیراعظم شہباز شریف کا پاکستان ملائیشیا بزنس فورم سے خطاب۔
Of course, fourth largest mango producer, but our mango in terms of its taste is second to none, sweeter than honey and sugar. And I'm sure Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim has tasted our mango during the season. How did you find it? Good, very good. So there is great potential in these areas to have small, medium enterprises where during off-season we can have a mechanism to collect these wonderful fruits, vegetables, store them, and then have value addition, make jams, marmalade, and various other products, and then export them. This is again a win-win situation. Livestock is another area. This morning I was able to make my brother Prime Minister agree, and he was more than happy to agree and announce a quota for Pakistan worth $200 million exporting meat to Malesia. I assure you, my brothers and sisters, that we will compete with international prices, quality, and in terms of shipment commitments, we will honor them. And this will be again a great addition, in our bilateral trade cooperation.